I'm not gonna lie, the cup kind of tastes like coffee.
I use a condom with them.
Solid fucking woodhead ass. Girl at school gave me the fucking Ling special in this bitch. Look at these pets. Good morning everybody. It's currently 5:40 in the morning and we're on our way to the airport. My flight is at 8, so we're gonna leave at 6 o'clock, and my flight is at 8 and I'll arrive there at 10 o'clock. So yeah, it's too early. Like, it's tightly too early. The Florida airport is so freaking weird. Like, why would they even make it like this? Okay, vlog. So I'm with my family. I know they don't want to be shown because they look ratchet. Y'all would not even want to see them. I'm not. Trust God. I ain't showing you, but trust God. Y'all.
Okay, not too
First
much.
of all,
yeah, not
so
too
that's
much.
little sis JP. I'll put her Addy in the space. Oh, we ain't showing you, sis.
Trust God.
It's like, no. So, y'all,
we was rushing.
I was sick as hell on that plane because why they had your girl on the plane like a thong between two butt cheeks. It was a mess. I was sitting there like on that plane and it was uncomfortable and I was ready to go the fuck back home. So I'm glad I ain't gotta go back on the plane because that was an epic fail. And my mother, the real OG, your girl bought me some Wendy's. So
they don't need no damn Wendy's either.
Wait a damn minute. What?
You know. But yeah,
both of them do not need that meat.
We need all the meat we can get.
They do not need no meat.
We still gotta feed your body, big girl, feed your body. And we feed our bodies, so that's what it is. But so we're on our way to my mom's house, and we're gonna see how much she packed. And I'm gonna show y'all.
No, you're not, Artrice.
Yes, I will.
Tracy, don't you?
Because she didn't pack shit. If I know my mama, she packed half of everything and half of nothing. So we'll see when I get there how much she packs.
Why would you put that in your body for breakfast?
Why not? That's all I can
nuggets?
eat. I can only eat 3 out of it. Shit, probably ain't 3.
4 nuggets and a cool beef? That ain't breakfast.
That's McDonald's right here.
I don't know who told you
That's
otherwise.
girl. You know I know what McDonald's at now.
That's what we have seen.
They know me by name and I go in there, they be like, hey, Mom.
We in Hotlanta. We in Hotlanta. Yeah, your girl. Yeah, you see your girl.
She's on dirty
out in the town on Dirty Covington. Mom, nobody is trying to vlog you, sis. Stop covering your face. I should vlog and just be done. That's a picture, guys. And like I said, there's a little glimpse of my mom's room right here. See that? She got pictures of her. She can see it. But y'all, like I said, she didn't pack much of nothing.
Hey,
yes, ma'am.
What you taping?
Myself. She didn't pack much of shit. And she has dildos on her dresser like they're advertisement. Like
That's
she's
my
in
best friend.
a dildo commercial. Those are not your best friends.
They are.
1, 2, 3, 4. Why do they need to be out as decoration?
They need to be in hand reach. Like when I want to reach over and feel like I want to.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Y'all hear that?
Have fun.
In arm's reach.
No.
Disgusting.
Look, fuck hands.
Y'all see what I got to deal with? Yeah, trifling, I know. They're going to be dusty. She's going to be putting them in her hoo-ha. Disgusting. You better go rinse them off or you stick them up there.
I use a condom with them.
God! No! God, please, no! No!
I'm done with her. Guys, just let her be what she is, okay? Mm-hmm. But so I made it safely to Atlanta, and I'm about to go to sleep for a couple hours, then come back and try again, and help pack some of this shit and put it in boxes and bags, because at this point, we're trying to get the fuck out of here.
I don't sit nothing on my bed. Just to let you know, I don't like when people sit anything on my bed. Kids or not, don't sit nothing on my bed, y'all. And then when you take off your clothes before you sit on my bed, because you probably bought something in from the outside. So don't sit on my bed with clothes.
It's giving bougie, and I don't like it here. I'm leaving. Okay. And this Vlogmas thing, y'all about to see me looking crazy. When I say crazy, I mean crazy. Okay? Okay. So, yeah, I'm at my mom's house. Oh my god, y'all don't understand how I just woke up. Like, even, like, what? Like, seriously? Y'all, I kid y'all not. We got here at... we got here at, like, 11 o'clock. We ate Wendy's. My mother showed me where everything at. She want me to pack and whatnot. Oh my god, y'all. I slept till 5 o'clock. Who even sleeps that long? Like, y'all, look at my mom's closet. She didn't want me to show y'all nothing, but look. Seriously? Seriously? Did you pack anything? God. But yeah, I'm about to eat her smoothie stuff in her kitchen. And she want me to make some fried chicken. And y'all, I only brought one outfit so I can wear her clothes. Look. I feel like my mom right now. What you want me to cook? What you want? So yeah. I'm about to cook her food right now. But she got some cranberry craze smoothie stuff. And I'm about to have y'all. Cause why? Like, why my girl hooked me up at the bodega? It's like, no. So why the girl at school gave me the fucking Ling Ling special in this bitch? Look at these pets. Oh shit, drop my phone. Do you see how smooth and succulent my pits are right now? I can have somebody lick them if I wanted to, because they so smooth and succulent. I got a fresh wax. Shout out to my girl Savannah on a wax that she did my eyebrows and she did your girl pets, and they are smooth and chocolate. My mom's house has bad service. But yeah, anyway, y'all, I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. I'm about to make this chicken. I'm about to make my mother some fish. And it's looking crazy in here because they moving, obviously. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog much, but I'm gonna vlog below. So we gonna see. Hold up, because y'all, it's getting theater right now. Because I actually brought out the good life for you guys. So say thank you. I'm using my mom's smoothie makeup. I called her asking I use her smoothie stuff. But your girl wasn't answering. So what's I'm supposed to do? I'm just going to assume it's a yes. Because I'm her favorite child. And I'm just going to make me a smoothie. So you do a dash of that. A dash of strawberry kiwi. And then you add your smoothie things in there. It don't matter. It's whatever you like. You know, she got the big smoothie maker. I got the little ninja. Sorry. Let me go get reinforcement.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So my reinforcement wasn't much reinforcement because she never used this smoothie maker, so that was useless. Guys, I don't know. I'm not gonna even lie. This table is giving like you at your grandma's house. Like, my mom is such a grandparent now. She got these stiff ass chairs, solid fucking wood head. So the girl on YouTube said I did everything right, so I wasn't as dumb as I thought. I just had to twist it counterclockwise so that it actually fucking worked. And oh guys, I'm still working on my angles with YouTube. So I finally turned my camera like a retard. I'm gonna be doing this often, I see, huh? Okay, so I guess you just click the obvious again. Y'all gotta try them. She got this, and I like these because I use these at home. And they come pre-packaged, so you can throw it all in there, it don't matter. Just throw it all in.
That is amazing. Wow. Like, oh my God.
The cup, I'm not gonna buy the cup. Kind of tastes like coffee. This is my mother's coffee cup this morning. I definitely just rinsed it out. So it's giving coffee smoothie. Hey, it don't matter. Just drink up. So I told my mom what cook was. Just put everything out. Like, I'm not cooking all that. I need that. Chicken. Fish with a little lemon. Some broccoli, some Lucky Charms sugar cookies, 2 packs, not 1. Some corn, sis. Why the freak did you put all this out? Damn. Y'all, I made a salad and it's nasty as fuck. I'm gonna starve here. It's like, no, I'm joking. Well, I was just making me this for now, but later I'm gonna put mommy some fish in the oven, and then I'm gonna put me and Milla some chicken breast and make some macaroni with it. So that's what I'm gonna make later, because I told mom, you moving, so might as well. Your sister found me out. But yeah, I told mom might as well make all the stuff she has in there now, you know, like just get rid of and make all that stuff now versus going out and buying food, you know. So we gonna save some coins, period. I feel like this is gonna be such a short vlog today, but the vlog for tomorrow is gonna be a Shein haul. My wife raised my Shein haul. I'm probably gonna upload that. And then the next day, then I'll be caught up like with the vlogs. But my vlogs, I guess some will find it entertaining. But I'm not, you know, I'm not really doing anything because I'm helping my mom move. But I think the week of my birthday probably will be like interesting. But, you know, just a regular girl. I just go to school, look hot. And I'm married and I have my kids. And that's it. And I just look hot and on a daily basis. So, you know, hey, just a boring, regular life. That's all. So I made my little funky salad. My mom's so ghetto. She ain't have no bowls, y'all. She got these. She got pineapple chunks on 11/13, and she holding off to 4 of those bowls. Boo, let them the fuck go. Get some real fucking bowls, okay? Yes, ma'am. But the salad is just not hitting. I want to get some takeout, but I'm trying to save my coins because I want to go to the store and see what other stuff I can get for Christmas. Like, you know? So, takeout can be pricey. So, yeah, I'm going to cook that later, and then I'll probably get takeout tomorrow. But, yeah, y'all. I ain't really got much to say. So, I'm going to end off Vlogmas Day 2. I'm going to end it off here right now, guys. I got a little fuel. I'm watching Next Youngin Speaks on going through Bad Public Breakup on Dirty Glove Bastard on YouTube. So I'm just watching some of that. And I was eating that little funky ass salad and that funky ass smoothie. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to cook for my mom and my sister and attempt to pack some stuff. Like, it's giving me anxiety trying to pack. But yeah, so I don't know. I'm gonna do that. But I'm gonna close out this vlog for tonight because I will talk your heads off, like, if y'all let me. But so everybody have a good night, stay safe, and all that good stuff. And this is a countdown to Christmas, bitches. And